roll up and smoke them potent, mixing up my component. Different culture, different slogan. Had to kill like I'm Logan, one man.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I'm back with another reaction for you guys. Now, right now, people, we have a Saint Kitts and a Guyanese reaction. Yo, I'm not share that one today. You see me, I say the artist is the artist from Saint Kitts, but we have Guyanese roots. You see me, I say, people, like up the video. Comment on the video, see your comment in the next video that I post. Go and look for your comment over this, because big up some people. You don't know a chap, you know. We say, we big up some place over Bomber Class Saint Kitts first. We say big up to Newton. We say big up over Project. We say big up F Black. You didn't say, me couldn't go over Guyana. We say big up Bella Drum. Big up Bella Side. And guess what I say big up? Big up the whole countryside. You didn't say. And yo, you see the singer right now, people? The singer is called Sasuke. Naruto. Sasuke. The song is available on all musical platforms, so you can go stream it. Anyone who wants to stream it after and watch a bad reaction from the Reaction Boss. I don't know about all of that. Artist name. Mad Stoney. Me at now, people, like the video. I'm going to see what I'm going for the song. Right, tune! What up, tune?
Look, maybe I'm too insane. That's why I stop feeling pain. Maybe I sip propane.
Pause. Put up a tune. Run tune now.
Maybe I'm too insane. That's why I stop feeling pain.
Sasuke,
how I spit this flame. Mad Stoney people proclaim.
Alright then. Come in now, what's the
Look, maybe I'm too insane. That's why I stop feeling pain. Maybe I sip propane. Sasuke, how I spit this flame. Mad Stoney people proclaim. Still underrated in a mystic way. Married to the game, my bad. Someone can't.
It sound like him lyrical bad, you know. When you hear just the starting of the song already, you can know it's a lyricist, you know. You know, it's a beer is going to speak right now, you know, people. And wait on it. Wait, go on.
Bridesmaid will come in my element. That's why I roll up and smoke them potent, mixing up my component. Different culture, different slogan. Had to kill like I'm Logan, one man army. Don't take program, don't take this last brick postmortem. Oh no, memento, turn up momentum. Banana clip since the bridesmaid will come in my element. That's why I roll up and smoke them potent. That's why I stop feeling pain. Maybe I sip propane. Sasuke, how I spit this flame. Mad Stoney people proclaim. Still underrated in a mystic way. Married to the game, my bad, some won't catch. Bridesmaid will come in my element. That's why I roll up and smoke them potent, mixing up my component. Different culture, different slogan. Had to kill like I'm Logan, one man army. Don't take program, don't take this last brick postmortem. Oh no, memento, turn up momentum. Banana clip since they lack potassium. Drink some milk and be
hold on, pause. I'm telling you, the dog, it no matter which part of the world you forward from in the dog. Once you have a passion for the bumbuckler thing in the dog, you can't sound just like them all better than all of them in the youth. And right now the boy kick out face, you know. Man still like kick out face, you know. Go on!
Fill up your calcium, my youth. Stop lock and pull up your pants and bro, don't take no prisoner, no man for ransom. Enough mother don't cry over dead son. That's why I don't left no breadcrumbs. You got to move smarter. Why you got to learn the art? Facts, if they're shooting, I shooting back. Stir the pot quick and scoop up that. But it up back.
Hold on, run back a little bit. Run through, we have to see the second, we have to
no prisoner, no man for ransom. Enough mother don't cry over dead son. That's why I don't left no breadcrumbs.
Enough mother don't cry over dead.
You got to move smarter. Why you got to learn the art? Facts, if they're shooting, I shooting back. Stir the pot quick and scoop up that. But it up back. Knock bout, you are accustomed to that. Tighten your belt, you are.
Just a blood clot, man. But it up back. Bumbuckler! Go on!
Custom to slack. Enough of them got preschool lyrics, like they went me slack. My lyrical style is coded binary traps. Well, you're trying to run the place, I trying to put my city on map for people explore like Dora. As I grow older, I get colder, chloroflora. Not the type to get violated, you could go and check my folder. I could tell that you're hunting like.
Well, you mean for tell me, sir, Caribbean, the brother you're forward from? No, you mean for tell me, this brother forward from the Caribbean. Mad Stoney is his name, people. Check him out.
Nice and cars, you carry it in a holster. If me and that step less, bet your face gun end up on a poster. Everybody want be the man, but I score goals, them can't come closer. Maintain control in the tightest spots, I try not to lose composure. Give them the eyes or shoulder. Maybe I'm too insane, that's why I stop feeling pain. Maybe I sip propane. Sasuke, how I spit this flame. Mad Stoney people proclaim. Still underrated in a mystic way. Married to the game, my bad. Someone catch.
The man sang after Watch reaction.
Maybe I'm too insane, that's why I stop feeling pain. Maybe I sip propane, Sasuke,
Why in
how I
second
spit
verse,
this
dog?
flame. Mod Stoney people
Now wait for the
proclaim.
second
Underrated
verse.
in a mystic way.
Bob the
Right
lighter
to the
ready.
game, my bad, someone catch. Bridesmaid bouquet. They cannot be better than me when my style enough of them run with. For years they diss, shoot and miss, that's why I remain so candid. Eastside youth can't run from that, everybody know I man branded.
Yeah.
Rest in peace, Toy, remember them nights I would rap on your landing. You would wrap up a joint and go up on a flight, no telling when this man landing. It's fucked up, that's us in here, the love for my brother not ending. He never like here, won't listen to us.
I don't know. But one bars I'm here thinking of dog. But most want to hear the lyrics, dog. I saw dog. I don't even know that. Most want to hear more. That most want to hear more of what bro gonna say, dog. I don't even understand, dog. But real tune.
I never ever left that landing. The streets don't give that shit, just take some youth really not understanding.
Yeah.
Why I shock them cause they not grounded. Don't
Yeah.
have time to argue with children.
Yeah.
Some man right now raising my kids them.
Yeah.
They too ungrateful, choose to not claim them federal. Sick in the head, that's why you smoke medical. Sticking at your bed, that's why you get minimal. You rather move bad, I rather move decimals. Maybe I'm too insane, that's why I stop feeling pain. Maybe I sip propane, Sasuke, how I spit this flame.
Caribbean,
Mod
no,
Stoney
dog. Pause. Don't go chat about it, dog. People want to think about the song. People always ask me if I bumbuckler dance and them react to no. No, react to everything, all gospel. But right now, want to think about the song. Put him between some rappers. Why I'm falling? He man dead here, dog. For a money fall from a Caribbean, dog, me not believe it, dog. But people want to go check out the artist, dog. Want to click link them. Every link down below the description and you can go stream the song. Anyone who wants to stream it on all musical platforms, so stream it everywhere. You see me, I say, if you can come back, you know, say the reaction bar sending over there, so run the rest of the tune,
people
yeah, man.
proclaim, still underrated in a mystic way.
Sweat.
Right to the game, my
I say,
bad,
it's a
someone
bad.
catch. Bridesmaid bouquet. Maybe I'm too insane, that's why I stop feeling pain. Maybe I sip propane, Sasuke, how I spit this flame. Mod Stoney people proclaim, still
Hey,
underrated in a
I'm gonna be
mystic way.
playing this
Right to
shit
the
in my
game,
car when I'm driving and shit. Just stay tuned. It's been a boy Ty, guys. See y'all in another video. See y'all later tonight in the clash. Peace.